All right, I wanted to give a quick little tutorial on how to set locations as far as venues for events, whether they're on your campus or at another school or location, and then how to set that up when you set up your event. So I think the easiest thing to do is set up your locations first, because then they are in the database and are easy to access. So when you're on your dashboard or your main screen, you're going to go all the way down to the sprocket, scroll down a little bit, go to school, and then go to locations. And you'll see that I have a bunch of locations already set up, but I am going to add a new location, and I think I will add the Orleans Hotel and Casino, because why not set a check-in that we can earn points at when we're at the 5-star conference. So you'll see that it'll pop up here at the top, and it does not currently have a map. So I'm going to click on this icon, and then a map will pop up, and then I am going to pop the location into the screen, and the first one that comes up is the one that I want. And so you'll see that here is my pin for my map. It's not letting me move it. I can centralize it. I can make it smaller, so I just need to drag to make the circle smaller. So it gives you the capability to make your venue as large or small as you want. You don't want to make it too small, because then it is a little more difficult to check in. But then I'm going to click Save Changes. So now it should be saved within my locations. So now I'm going to go to Events and add a new event. And my event is going to be 5-star conference. And I'm just going to leave other. The event date will be September, and I'll just make it for the first day of the conference, 8:00 a.m. We're going to end it at 6:00 p.m. and make it worth 10 points. You had to travel a long way to get to Vegas, and then I'm going to save it. So now when my event pops up on the screen, I'm going to go up to check-in schedules. And the schedule that I'm going to use, the code is going to be location. And then I am going to choose the location, which is the Orleans Hotel and Casino. I am going to send a notification to remind us, and at 8:00 in the morning, we will get a notification to check in. So now I have the check-in schedule added for this particular event. And that's basically all you need to do to set a location on an event so that you can use the geolocation feature. Again, I think it's really a great idea to get all of your locations in. It is time consuming, but once you have them all in, you never have to add them again. And so it does make it very convenient. As you can see, we have 227 locations for our events, because we do check-ins at every school we play, whether that's during the regular season or during playoffs. So those are all in. We also have locations, like you can see Carl's Jr. here, that aren't necessarily school locations, but they may be somewhere where we have a fundraiser, and if we have a dinner night for our booster club, we actually would put the location of the restaurant so people can check in and earn points if they attend those types of things. So hopefully this will be helpful for you as you set up locations for geolocation using 5-star.